Hello there. Welcome to another unboxing. Today we are looking at Chaos Spacemarines Chaos Cultists. These are up for pre-order. Huge thank you to Games Workshop for sending me a review copy to have a look, play with, and of course start to get to some painting of these guys. Man, I'm really tempted to start a Chaos Force. I had one way back in the day, and with all these really beautiful looking models, it is so tempting to pick up the icon of my dedicated god. And for anybody who has been following me for any length of time knows my preferred Chaos God. Anyway, 10 miniatures, 10 Citadel miniatures. Let's have a look at the back, get a little preview of what we get in the box set. Of course, they are really cool looking. I believe these guys are like, they look fairly similar to the ones from the, what was that? The Blackstone Fortress. They look very similar. I don't know if they're the exact same models because I did not get Blackstone Fortress. Kind of kicking myself for not picking it up, but you know, hey, what are you gonna do? But anyway, let's dive in. I'll get my trusty rusty blade out. Try not to cut myself while I do this. My dull knife. Get into that cellophane. Let's get in there. Get in there. Oh yeah. For everybody who wants just a little bit more ASMR in these videos. All right, let's crack this open. Have a look at what we're dealing with here. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm digging it. So we get a bag of bases. Looks like 25 mil bases. Pretty standard affair. We get the instruction booklet, which probably has the rules. Yes, it does. Has the rules for all the Chaos Duders. And oh, it even has multi options for all these guys. I wonder, is this more like the Kill Team, the Traitor Guardsman, where they have the various options? Because you can see like there's different configs for each of the figures. Very interesting. I like the, oh no, it's just the one, the leader. I guess it's just the gang leader, the champion, the champion. Very cool. Yes. Let's have a look at the backside here. Yeah, so it looks like it's one, like they're monopose, but you might have a few options with some of them as far as like, you know, giving them pistols and what have yous. But yeah, I think it's very interesting. I dig it. They're cultists. I mean, like, how many options do they really need, right? But let's have a look at the frame. Frame has tons of parts. Tons and tons. I do like that they are, even though they are monopose, you have, you know, pretty easy to assemble models here. They look like each of them are probably, what, 5 parts? I'm sure if we went back to the instructions, we could probably have a look at how many parts per like figure they are. I don't mind that. I don't like when there is, you know, like you got to put the foot to the knee, to the knee, to the hip, hip to the, you know, torso. I don't really care for models that really kind of go in for that. I don't know about you. I mean, some of you might really like that for, you know, maximum posability and things like that. But for myself, as a war gamer and / painter, I like when they are pretty straightforward models, and I like when they have these wide open stances, like, you know, like the arms are stretched out and weapons are pointing in all different directions. They have like these really overly dramatic poses. I like that. It has an old school kind of vibe to it. It also makes it easy to paint the model instead of like, you know, when Space Marines have like the bolt gun crossing over their chest, and it makes it really kind of a pain to get into those areas when you're painting them. And so I like when they do this because it basically makes batch painting a little bit easier when you are, you know, if you're buying, say, like 5 boxes of these and have like 50 of these models on the table and, you know, well, maybe even 60, I suppose, 3 squads of them, right? But anyway, yeah, they look really good. There's lots of detail. You know, like they got lots of flat areas like on the cloaks and stuff like that. Like, you know, there's lots of room to paint freehand things and create effects. And, you know, they have like, you know, all the tattered cloth and everything like that. So you can weather it. And again, like you are only limited by your imagination as far as like how you're going to go about painting these figures up. And you know, just kind of having fun with them. Of course, also making them match the rest of your force. There are no, like, you know, icons on them, like making them god specific, you know, like Slanesh, Khorne, these kind of things. They're just chaotic looking models, and I think that is pretty darn awesome. But anyway, that is the Chaos Cultists from the Codex Space Marines. I'm sure many Chaos players are going to be picking up this box to fill out and obviously have some meat for the meat grinder in your battles of Warhammer 40,000. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. Hopefully you found it a little bit informative and insightful, and I don't know how insightful it was, but hopefully you enjoyed it. Big thank you to my patrons. Without their support, these videos would not be possible. If you're considering Patreon support, click the link in the description below. And a huge thank you to all my patrons for their continued support, and to all the brand new ones as well. Take care of your brushes, they'll take care of you, and I will see you guys in the next video.